Hi and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. So this time we are going to do a little, or not a little, we're going to do a Rhino kind of thing. Yeah, Rhino. All right. So let's get started. All right. We kind of already made our design here. As you can see in the little blue picture, we're going to add just Rhino. Because we're lazy like that. Okay. All right. Let's break this down. So we got like a long cylinder, a cube, then a sideways cylinder, not a cylinder, a cone. So two cones, a block, and then two small cylinders. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. All right, let's do a cone. We're gonna do a big one. So like this. Make sure you're still in the front. Right, and then we're gonna add another cone. Bring it here. Maybe make it smaller like this. Okay. No, bigger. All right, that's good. And then we're also adding a cylinder. Bring it like that. Make it smaller. Make the angle kind of match here. It's pretty good. All right. Add that there. We could do a cylinder, or we could do like, what do you call it? Use the tube tool, right? And then path, and then just draw that. Oh, let's do curve instead. And then we'll do the same right here. Validate, and then we can smooth things out a lot better. All right. Oh, my bad. There. All right, let's go back, and we're going to choose the Gizmo tool down here. We're going to select these both and go to the right, and we're going to put them right here, right in between. All right, so now let's get started and make some adjustments. Bring these all together, and we're going to put the resolution a little down. So that's weird. 100 is more than good. I don't know what's going on. Right, and then voxel merge. All right, there we are. Now let's smooth things out. Since we're on a side view, we have to make sure that it's the C plane that's selected so that things are evenly smoothed out. So like this. All right. Okay, increase the intensity, increase the radius. And then front. So let's do some moving and dragging so that it looks a little more like what we drew here, and that's pretty good here. There we are. We can always decrease things, so don't worry too much. Decrease the radius here. Decrease the radius even more. There we are. Bring it up. Bring it this way. And then same thing with this horn right here. Bring it down a little more. Just make sure you're in the front setting. All right, that's not terrible. All right. And then let's smooth things out again, so that the shape is a little better. All right. As you can see, the jaw line for the Rhino is a little more rounded here, so we can add a cylinder, bring it like down here, make it smaller like that, so that way it has that edge right there. So then validate, let's voxel merge that. Let's smooth it out. Nice. Okay, sweet. Kind of reminds me more of a, I guess, Triceratops, but I will leave that to you guys. All right. Okay. So we're gonna do split, and we're gonna do lasso 2 here, and we're gonna do something along the lines like this. All right, and that should create 2 objects right here. All right, and so then if we do the Gizmo tool, that'll bring things down a little bit more, and we're just gonna do things like this. Fine, and then we're gonna voxel merge both of these. Good, cool. Let's smooth things out here. Remember, we're still working on the C plane. Oh, this is a little too thin. All right. That looks wrong. Okay, let's do some drag in here. All right, increase the radius. Make this a little bigger and thicker. Bring this down maybe. Okay. Front. Let's smooth it out. It's a learning process, so it's okay if it doesn't look like you want it all the time or right off the bat. Okay. It's not bad. All right, we are gonna let this be acceptable. And now let's do some clay. And we're gonna do some subtracting here. The nostrils are right around here, so we are gonna do subtraction with clay. here. But we're also going to do something else. Sub, we're going to add clay right here. So, the Nosser, given some distinction here. And then we're going to smooth things out. We're going to decrease the intensity, decrease the radius too. I do not like that. That could have been. Let's maybe drag it. Yeah, that's better. All right. Okay, that looks better. And we can just smooth things out just a bit. All right. Now we have some decent nostrils. What's it called? Let's work on the mouth. Actually, the mouth is fine. We're not going too far into this. We could add a tongue if you like. And that would be, let's see. We can add, a box, make it small, bring it all the way over here, like that, then go to top view, validate, and then we're gonna smooth things out, like that. Increase the intensity, increase the radius. We are gonna do some dragon here. Oh. Smooth it out. Move. Oh, increase the radius for this. Okay. Smooth things out on the side a little more. Increase the intensity more. Alright. And then we are going to gizmo this and make it smaller. Right there. That's good. Alright. And then just bring it here. Do some rotation magic. Bring it to the side. We can make it wider like this. Alright, and then we got the Rhino tongue. Nice. Let's work on the eye next. And let's see, right about here. And what we can do is we can do two things. So either add more clay here and then do an indentation, or we can add a sphere, make it small, and bring it this way. Make this way smaller. That's kind of about where we wanted. All right, there. And then we're gonna cut this in half with a trim tool. So use the square. Oh, yeah. And then, nope. One more time. All right, there we are. Gizmo this. Like that. And then we are gonna duplicate this, bring it down, and then this and this are gonna voxel merge. See, so we could have easily have just added some clay here. Like that instead. Subtract. Make sure symmetry is on. Yep. Okay. That's what we want. Front. We're gonna take this right here. And then flip it. Maybe this way. Oh. Ah. Right. Bring it smaller. Up. Right about there. Okay. Sweet. And now you can make it bigger or smaller. That's a pretty good size. And then we're gonna smooth things out, decrease the intensity. Now we can add more clay here, because it's got to be more like this. Increase intensity, increase the radius. Then smooth out the intensity, decrease the radius. All right, it's not terrible now. All right, sweet. Okay, maybe. Oh. Decrease the radius here. I was subtracting for some reason. Okay, it's not bad. I like this. Yes. We can do a little moving or pulling. Oh. All right. And then lastly, let's go to the eye. Let's go to Gizmo, then select the eye. Okay, eye is properly selected, and we're going to go to symmetry over here, and we are going to do C, plane, local, then world again, and then we're going to do right to left, yes, and that should bring an eye right here. And that's it. That is our Rhino head. It doesn't look too bad overall. Hope you guys like it. Maybe a little thin. We could increase the, what do you call it? The side profile. Well, side to side profile, you know, this way. But otherwise, it actually looks pretty good. Like that, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna make this available for download, and I'm gonna put the video up in a little bit and do the UV unwrapping, but otherwise that's pretty much it.